welcome back to another Technique Tuesday. Before we start, just a quick reminder that if you like what you see and are interested in learning proper exercise technique, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the exercise technique videos. Also, if you have any questions, ask them down in the comments section and we'll either respond to you directly in the comments section or answer your questions during our weekly Sunday Q&A. Alright, time to demonstrate the exercise.
The exercise we will be demonstrating for you will be the One Arm Dumbbell Row. To perform the One Arm Dumbbell Row, you're going to want to place the opposite hand, knee, and foot of the arm being worked on a bench. The leg of the same side arm that is being worked should be planted firmly on the floor with the knee slightly bent and the dumbbell resting on the floor. Reach down and grab the dumbbell with a closed, neutral grip. Align your body so that your ears, shoulders, and hips are in a straight line. Pull your shoulders back, push the chest out, and exhale as you pull the dumbbell to the starting position. Begin the movement by inhaling as you lower the dumbbell slowly and under control towards the floor without touching the floor, while maintaining the same neutral spine and flexed knee throughout the movement. Exhale as you pull the dumbbell up toward the torso until the dumbbell touches the side of the outer chest or ribcage area. Keep the upper arm and elbow close to the side of the body and the forearm perpendicular to the floor to enhance recruitment of the latissimus dorsi muscle. Regarding tempo, there will be 4 numbers which will determine the speed of the movement. The first number is going to be the eccentric portion, or the lowering phase of the movement. The second number is going to be the pause at the bottom of the movement. The third number is going to be the concentric portion, or the lifting phase of the movement. And the fourth number is going to be the pause at the top of the movement. Therefore, a tempo prescription of 5010 will require you to lower the weight for 5 seconds and immediately lift the weight for 1 second without resting at the bottom or top of the movement. A tempo prescription of 3210 will require you to lower the weight for 3 seconds, rest at the bottom position for 2 seconds, and lift the weight for 1 second without resting at the top position. A tempo prescription of 4021 will require you to lower the weight for 4 seconds, lift the weight for 2 seconds without resting at the bottom, and rest for 1 second at the top of the movement before performing the next repetition. A tempo prescription of 2121 will require you to lower the weight for 2 seconds, rest at the bottom position for 1 second, lift the weight for 2 seconds, and rest at the top position for 1 second before performing the next repetition.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the exercise technique videos. And if you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section and we'll either respond to you directly in the comment section or answer your questions during our weekly Sunday Q&A. Keep fit, have fun, and we'll see you again next week.